Hello YouTube fans, it's me, Mr. Lee Fan 1991. Today I'll be singing Speed of Sound Karaoke Coldplay. Actually, guys, I actually want to show you this jersey. It's my new Tampa Bay Lightning jersey I got in from one of my friends. I just wanted to say thanks to the friend who ordered the two jerseys for me, and I definitely will be ordering more from you because I really like the jerseys. They're actually pretty good. Thanks. I won't mention his name because he probably doesn't want me to mention his name. So, here we go. Couldn't find a karaoke version of it, so here we go. How long before I get in? Before it starts, before I begin? How long before you decide? Before I know what it feels like? Where do I go? If you never tried, then you'll never know. How long do I have to climb up one side of this mountain of mine? I look up at night, flags are moving at the speed of light. Climb up in the trees, every chance that you get, that's the chance you seize. How long am I gonna stand, with my head stuck under the sand? I'll start before I can stop, before I see things to write off. All that noise and all that sound, all those places I got found, and they don't find out the speed of sound, to show you know how it all began. Birds came flying from the underground. If you could see them, you can understand. Things that you'll never find, and all the invention could never design. The buildings that you put up, Japan and China, all lit up. The sign that I couldn't read, or a light that I couldn't see. Some things you want to believe, but others are puzzling me. All that noise and all that sound, all those places I go found, and birds go flying at the speed of sound, to show you how it all began. Birds came flying from the underground. If you could feel them, then you understand. Oh, when you feel them, you understand. All those signs I knew what they meant. Some things you can enjoy. Some get mad and some get sad. Oh. And the birds go flying at the speed of sound, to show you how it began. Birds that came from the underground. If you could see them, then you understand. understand.